Hello, friends. I hope you all are doing good. I am Anu, and I would like to introduce Shikha Sharma, who is the founder of an online toy library, toytoys.in. Her library rents out toys, books, and puzzles on a monthly subscription to the parents of kids in the age group of 6 months to 12 years. She has started the library in 2017 and had her presence in Mumbai and Hyderabad. She is currently based in Ahmedabad. Shikha also has a demonstrated history of working in the think tanks industry. She has worked with Rediffusion, Percept Group, Jagran Engage, and Jumbo King in marketing and holds a total work experience of 8 plus years. She has completed her PGDM in marketing from IILM Institute, Gurgaon in 2006 with BCom from Delhi University and schooling from Guru Gobind Singh Public School, Bokaro Steel City. Shikha is also the National Vice President of Wiki National E-Commerce Council and aims to promote representation of women in e-commerce sector.
Thank you, Anu, for such a beautiful introduction.
So Shikha, I would like you to share about your journey till now.
Okay. Anu, I'm a Delhi University graduate, and as you said, like MBA in marketing. I have worked in advertising agencies and client servicing, and I've also worked on other side of the table in companies in marketing. I have started Toy Toy Library in 2017 from Mumbai. It is an online toy library where parents can rent toys, books, and puzzles for a monthly subscription. After my kid was born, I realized that many parents were facing a very peculiar problem. They used to buy a toy for their kid, and kid would not play with that toy for a week's time. After that, they would demand another toy and would play with mobile phones. It was also very difficult to get a new toy every time, and even if you get it, where to store it? So it was heavy on the pockets also. So I decided to start this venture where a parent can save time, space, and money by renting a toys every month from the comfort of their home.
Tell me, Shikha, why did you thought of starting an online toy library and not an offline one?
I wanted to reach more and more people, and at the same time, I wanted parents to sit at home and browse all category of toys, books, and puzzles for their kids. So that is the reason I started the online toy library.
Shikha, what are the challenges you faced during the process of setting up your business?
I am from a non-tech background, and that was the biggest challenge. Along with that, getting first set of customers, retaining the customers, selecting the right set of toys for the library, managing the inventory are few of the challenges I faced. Also, time management, capital are the major challenge I faced during the initial days.
Shikha, what skills, according to you, an aspiring entrepreneur should have or should plan to build on?
I believe an entrepreneur should have the business management skills, leadership skills, financial skills. The person should have the risk taking abilities. They should be very strategic and good at decision making, and they should be very assertive and confident in what they are doing.
Being a women entrepreneur, what are the challenges and also what are the benefits a person has?
Being a woman entrepreneur, there are many challenges which any woman would face. The first challenge is struggle to be taken seriously. Nobody takes a woman seriously. When you say that I want to get into a business, many people will doubt you. Second is to maintain that work life balance. The third is accessing funds, and like these are the few of the challenges which a woman normally faces while starting a business.
Very true. Shikha, tell me, do you have any fears? And if you have, how do you work on them?
Yes, I do have fear. The only best way to work on them is to face your fear. You have to go, you have to face, and you have to solve it. That is the best way.
Tell me, Shikha, how do you find a balance between your work, your family, and your social life?
It is what I do is that I prioritize my task. I try to allot a certain amount of time to everything, and this is how I try to balance. It is very difficult to get a perfect balance, but somehow you have to work out.
Okay, Shikha, do you think upskilling is important?
Yes, upskilling is important because though you can keep many skill-based people, but you have to have the knowledge of as many domains as you can, just to get an idea of what is going on, what exactly is needed in each and every domain. So whenever you get time, try to learn as many things as you can. There are many resources available online. There are many helps available. Reach out to people and upskill yourself.
How do you find your customers?
I mostly find my customers through online mode. Since mine is an online business, then there is word of mouth also. Then I do some BTL activities also, and through social media. So these are like main things from where I get my customers.
And what are your future plans?
I have plans to start franchisee in different cities, as I have done business in Mumbai. I started from Mumbai, and then I have run this library in Hyderabad, and currently I'm in Ahmedabad. So I could see that there is a demand for a toy library in every city I have lived. So I want to start franchisee in different cities all over India, wherever I can, to the maximum places.
Shikha, any final message for the aspiring entrepreneurs?
The final message I want to give is like, just go and do it. Start the business. Don't just overthink about it or keep on thinking about it. Second is have patience. Then third is when you get an idea, validate your idea. That is very important. And pivot is your as much as you can. Whenever you feel that any changes are needed, please go ahead and pivot.
Shikha, since you are the National Vice President of Wiki E-Commerce Council, tell us what drew you towards this initiative.
Like I said, that while starting that online toy library, I myself struggled a lot coming from a non-tech background. So I wanted to help women who wants to come into an e-commerce or online business. So now I have a fair knowledge about everything since I'm in this business from the last 4 years. So I want to help women in every aspect of an e-commerce business. So that drew me into this National E-Commerce Council.
Nice thought. Thank you so much for your time. It was great speaking with you. Take care. Thank you.
Thank you, Anu. Thank you so much.